Welcome. This video will guide you through the powerful character management feature, where you can create, develop, and organize all the characters for your stories. From the main navigation, we'll select the Characters page. This brings us to the Characters dashboard. On the left is your list of characters, and on the right is a pane to display their details. To start, let's click Create New Character. The character creation form is incredibly detailed, organized into 5 tabs to help you build a complete profile. Basic info, physical attributes, personality traits, background history, and the character's character arc. While you can fill out every detail manually by entering basic information like a name, role, and age, a standout feature is the ability to generate a complete profile with AI. Now watch this. By clicking Generate AI Vitals, the platform uses AI to instantly populate the entire form. It creates a complete, well-rounded character profile, including physical details, a nuanced personality with strengths and weaknesses, and a full character arc from their initial state to their final transformation. Once you're satisfied, click Create Character to save this new profile. The newly created character now appears in your list. Selecting the character from the list displays a clean summary of their profile. From here, you can also select Card View for a more visual, at-a-glance layout of your characters. Need to make adjustments? Just click the Edit button to return to the detailed form. You can modify any field. Let's add a quick summary to the profile. After making your changes, click Update Character to save them. Finally, managing your cast is simple. To remove a character, click the Delete icon. A confirmation prompt appears, asking you to verify the deletion of the selected character to prevent mistakes. Confirming the action permanently removes the character from your list. This all-in-one tool makes character creation and management both efficient and inspiring.